Stop waiting. Is your PayPal bank account confirmation stuck on pending? You've tried the small deposits, you've waited days, but nothing. In this video, I'm giving you 5 insider tricks you won't find anywhere else to instantly fix this confirmation status, guarantee your bank link, and secure your money transfers. This is the ultimate PayPal bank account guide. First, clear your browser's cache and cookies completely. Then, do not just relink the bank. Instead, try linking a different bank account first, wait 5 minutes, and then link the original one again. This often resets the server-side process that's causing the hold. This is crucial for fixing the pending status. Tired of waiting for micro deposits? Here's the guarantee fix. Use the Send Money feature with a linked credit card or PayPal balance to send a small symbolic amount like $1 to a friend. The act of completing a successful transaction often forces the system to prioritize and instantly confirm the bank linkage for security verification, overriding the delayed deposit system. It's an instant verification method. Your bank name might be the issue. When you first added your bank, did you use the exact formal name on your official bank statement? Even a missing INCONS or LLC can cause a mismatch. Delete the pending account, confirm the full legal name from your bank statement PDF, and re-enter. This resolves the bank verification mismatch error every time, ensuring proper money transfers. If you're stuck on pending after 24 hours, try this. Go to the wallet section, click the pending bank, and select Confirm Bank instantly. If it fails, try it again, exactly 5 minutes later. Sometimes the server window for instant verification opens only in a very small, non-obvious time frame. Keep trying this bypass, especially for delayed confirmation. Forget PayPal support. Call your own bank's online banking specialist team. Explain that you need the exact routing number format for third-party service linking, as some banks use a slightly different routing code for digital transfers than they do for paper checks. This is a common and unique fix for delayed bank account confirmation. Use these 5 unique tricks, secure your PayPal account, and make your money transfers instantly. If this video helped you solve your confirmation pending issue, hit subscribe for more digital finance secrets.